How to fix directory name is invalid error on Windows. If you're facing the same kind of error, this is how you fix it. Right click on this PC and then go to show more option. Click on manage and then it will open up your computer management. All you have to do here is now find the disk management option. So if you have any unallocated memory, you just want to go ahead and create a new disk for it so that you can fix the issue. So just right click on it and then go to new simple volume. Now a wizard will pop up on your screen. Click on next. Now just enter the simple volume size in megabytes. Click on next again. You can name it after any of these letters. So I'm just going to leave it at E and then click on next again. Now make sure the file system type is NTFS. Then the allocation unit size is default. You can label the new volume. Now click on next again and then click on finish. And as you can see here, a E drive has been created on my PC. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.